day 0. Okay, so we're not going to disclose the name of the builder right now because as anybody who's done construction knows, it's not how you start the job, but it's how you finish the job.
So the project manager called us wanting to know if they could begin the job 2 days earlier to pour the footer for the wall that's going to go up, replacing the garage door.
Woohoo! 2 days early!
So these guys showed up and they were a little confused as to the height of the footer, whether it was 4 inches or 6 inches. So
well, they asked Rob what the right answer was.
And I said, well, I don't know.
And I said, I'm just a girl.
Yeah. So they contacted the project manager. He came out, brought the plans with him. They looked over that. They decided that it was 6 inches. So these guys, 2 guys, commenced to build the frame, put the rebar in, get it all ready for the cement, and poured the cement.
And off they went. All right, and end of day 0.